Welcome back programmers. In this video we are gonna talk about very interesting Python logics. So in this video we are gonna solve some very fantastic logics. So you can see here this is our practical list. If you want to sharp your programming skill you can try all these program in your PC. But from in this list I'm gonna choose some of the best program and I'm gonna run it in my online IDE. Yes friend, if you are programmer and if you don't like PyCharm or any other IDE, so you can try this. This is a completely free and online IDE. In here you can try new repository, and in the new repository you can try Python, Nodes, C, C++, Ruby, HTML, CSS and so on, so many programming language. Even in the new update you can try Tkinter, Java Swing, Pixel, Python with Turtle and so many stuff. So it means if you are a programmer this is like heaven for you. So for now we are gonna just use simple Python IDE, and if you want to import some package just go in here and search your package and just import it. So let's focus on our code now. From this list we are gonna do some program in our online IDE. So let's choose our first program. Our first program is write a program to sum of all digits of number. So we are gonna make that program which can give us a sum of all digits of our number, or you can say list. And for that we are gonna just create a list in here. List equal to, I'm gonna add 1 2 3 4 and 5. So sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Let's add one element another in the list. So I'm gonna add 5 and I'm gonna add 1. So the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 21. So how we are gonna do this? This is our list. So we are gonna make a function, you can name it anything, def sum of list, and we are gonna add one parameter, the list. Okay, and in this function we are gonna make a loop in here. Okay, I have done mistake in here. So list is a inbuilt function, so that's why I'm gonna change the name to lists. Now let's talk about logic. So this is our list, and what we are gonna do, we are gonna sum all of the list. This is our list, and we are gonna sum 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 index wise. And for that we are gonna take a loop. You can take any loop, but I'm gonna go with the while loop because while loop is help us to clear more logic. Let's take a loop like loop equal to, let's say I equal to 0. We're gonna take I, and in the loop we are gonna make another variable s equal to 0. Now why s equal to 0? Because we are gonna add all of the sum answer in this s, and that's why I make another variable named it s. Now I'm gonna simply just add all the sum. So let's suppose this is our loop in here, and in this loop we are gonna increment I equal to I plus 1, and in here I'm gonna do is s equal to s plus I, but not simply I, list of I, but assume this is the list of I. So it means first list of I is gonna save. So s equal to first is 1. Now again loop is looping, s equal to I. So because of the I is incremented, so that's why now I is 2. So 1 plus 2 and again increment, and now 3, so 1 plus 3 because s equal to s plus I, so that's why list of I 3 and so on. So that's all logic. Let's implement this. So let's take a variable I equal to 0 for loop, sum equal to 0 for add the sum. Okay, this is the inbuilt function too, so that's why I'm gonna name it sums. Let's take a loop while. Okay, we want range of list now, and that's why I'm gonna use length equal to L equal to length of list, and this is gonna give us a length of list, but I is starting with 0 and the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, but we don't want to go to the 7, so that's why we are gonna use length minus 1. It means go loop till less than 6. Now let's make a loop in here. I'm gonna use while loop, and for that while I less than L, because L is length of list and I is 0, so that's why I less than L, and if I less than L, add sums. Okay, I forgot to put s in here. Sums equal to sums plus list of I, lists of I. If you don't know anything about lists, check out my previous Python series. So this is the sums equal to sums plus lists of I, and that is it. That's our program. Let's increment the I equal to I plus 1, and now we are gonna simply just return the sums. Okay, that's our program. Let's try this our program. What we are gonna do, we are gonna just simply call this program, and for that we are gonna make another variable. You can name it anything. S equal to, we are gonna call this function sum of lists, and we are gonna add a parameter. The parameter is this list, so I'm gonna just add lists. Okay, let's print S, and boom, sorry, we got 20. You know why we got 20? Because I forgot to add less than equal to L in here, and whenever I am gonna run this program again and see, this is our 21 output. Let's change the value like 5, 5. Let's run this code again, and you can see we got 10. That's how you can make a function which give us the sum of the list. Let's try again. Output is 11. Yes, you can see the output is 11. Okay, let's remove this code and create another program. Now the second program is write a program to reverse of a given number. Now this is a simple program, and I already discussed about reverse string and reverse number in the previous video, so check out my previous Python series, my logic video. Now let's create another program. So the program is find is this a palindrome number or not, or is this a palindrome string or not. So what is palindrome? So let's say palindrome number or string. We are gonna make a function to find is this a palindrome string or number. Now what is the palindrome? So the example of palindrome is A B C B A. So this is the palindrome number. Means if you read this word by starting point, so the A B C B A, and if you read this word by ending point A, B, C, B, A. So both of the way to read the output is same, means A, B, C, B, A. So I'm gonna give you another example. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is the palindrome number 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, or in the reverse 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So we are gonna make that function to find is this a palindrome number or not. Let's do it. Def palindrome. Okay, this is the inbuilt function, so I'm gonna palindromes name it, and in here I'm gonna just pass the list lst lists. Okay, now how we are gonna do this? Let's talk about logic. You can see this is our list. So the simple way to find this is the palindrome number or not is first we are gonna reverse this string. So the reverse string is again same as list. So the reverse string is rst is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now I know you got the answer. If the list and the reverse string, or you can say reverse list, is same as the list, so this is palindrome, or else this is not a palindrome. So first we are gonna reverse this string, and if you wanted to know how to reverse a string or list, check out my previous video. I'm gonna first add a list in here. List equal to, first I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and I'm gonna reverse this list. Reverse. I'm gonna create another function for reverse the string. First I'm gonna find the length of the string list. Sorry, whenever I want to say list, I accidentally said string. Okay, this is my mistake. First we want to find the length of the list, and for that L equal to list. But what list? Length of list. This is the inbuilt function we got, and -1. Now we got the length of list. We are gonna simply say I equal to L, and we are gonna take a loop while I greater than 0. First I'm gonna comment this, and I'm gonna create rev lt equal to null list, and I'm gonna store reverse list in this rev lt none list. So I'm gonna just simply rev lt dot append lists of I. Okay, that's how you can create a function in here, and I'm gonna return the reverse list. Okay, let's print this list. We are gonna print R, and what is R? R equal to, I'm gonna call the function reverse, and I'm gonna add parameter. So the parameter is list. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, I forgot to increment the I, so loop is looping now. I equal to I plus 1. Stop and run this again. Again I forgot to put equal to. Okay, I had major mistake in here. I want to not increment, I want to decrement the value, and you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now let's simply use this reverse string function in here, and for that I'm gonna use a simple logic. If, but first I'm gonna call the function r equal to, let's say RLT equal to, I'm gonna call the reverse function reverse, and I'm gonna just simply add the list in here. Now I'm gonna take a condition. Now I'm gonna simply just condition this statement. So if LST equal to RLT, so return, you're gonna simply just return this is palindrome number. Okay, let's run this function in here. Now I'm gonna just call the function palindrome, and I'm gonna just add the list, and the list is lists, and p equal to, okay, and I'm gonna just print the p. Let's run this code. Okay, we got error, the name LST is not defined. Okay, I accidentally add LST, so the lists variable name is lists. Okay, let's run this code again, and you can see this is the palindrome number. Let's change the value in here. Let's put 5. Let's run. Okay, we got none. Why? Because we didn't add the else value. So let's add else value. Return, I'm gonna just simply return this is not palindrome number or this, and I'm gonna just say here or lists. Okay, that's our function. Let's run this code again, and boom, we got this is not palindrome number or lists. But what if we add a string in here? Let's try string. Let's say A, B, C, B, A. Let's run this. You can see we got this is a palindrome number or list. Okay, I'm gonna just add string in here because this is my mistake. Okay, this is our function to find this is the palindrome number or string. Let's create another function. Now let's try this code, this program. Write a program to find second largest digit in the given number. This is kind of difficult, you know. So first I'm gonna remove all this code, and now what I'm gonna do, first of all I'm gonna make a list. So the lists equal to, I'm gonna add some few randomly number like 4, 7, 3, 8, 9, 1, 2. Okay, so this is our list, and in this list the smallest number is 1, and the second smallest number is 2, and the largest number is 9, and the second largest number is 8. But how we are gonna find is this a largest number or second largest number? And for that, so you can see this is our list, and what we are gonna do, first we are gonna find the smallest second smallest number, and the second smallest number is 2, and the smallest number is 1, but we are not gonna find the smallest number, we are gonna find the second smallest number, and the second smallest number is 2. So the best way to do is, not the best way, the simple way to do is, first we are gonna scan all the list and find smallest number. So the smallest number is 1, and then we are gonna remove the 1 from the list, and now the smallest number is 2. So we got 2, and for that we are gonna make a 2 function. First one is find the smallest number, and the second one is find the smallest second number. Okay, so first we are gonna remove 1 because this is the smallest number, and after remove this the list is this, and our list smallest number is 2. Okay, let's do it. First let's create a function which can find smallest number. Create a function def smallest, and this take a list in the parameter. And now how we are gonna find the smallest number, and for that we are gonna sort the list. And if you don't know what is sorting, there is so many sorting way available in algorithm. Now I am thinking to create an algorithm series in Python, so wait for algorithm series. But for now we are gonna sort the list. So what is sorting? We are gonna first scan all these number in the loop, and the second one is we are gonna compare all the element to the other. Now, and for that the simple way is we are gonna first compare these. So you can see here, is 4 is less than 7. If 4 is less than 7, so swap it. But no, 4 is not less than 7. I am kidding, 4 is less than 7. But first what we want to do, if you want to first smaller to larger, so you want to do is find the greater than, and if you want to larger to smaller, so you want to do the less than. So in here we want to do is we want to find the smaller element, and so that's why we are going to use the greater than. So now let's compare this element one by one. Is 4 is greater than 7? So no, 4 is not greater than 7. So the list is 4 and 7. Now again compare this. Is 7 is greater than 3? Of course 7 is greater than 3. So we are gonna swap this 7 and 3. So the 3 goes here and 7 goes here. Okay, and now again compare it. 3 greater than 8? Nope. Again compare 8 greater than 9? Nope. Again 9 greater than 1? So yes. So we are gonna swap this and this. So the list is 8 and 1 and 9 and 2. Okay, this is our list. And again we are gonna check, is 4 greater than 3? Yes. So again we are gonna change the list. 4 is become 3, and so on. So we are gonna compare till then condition is true. Okay, so the final list is 1 2 3 4 7 8 and 9. So this is our final list we got from this sorting. Now we got a smaller element, second smaller element, third smaller element, and so on. So now if you are thinking how to sort a list in Python, and if you don't like algorithm, so we have inbuilt function. So the inbuilt function is sl equal to lists. So the inbuilt function is sort. You can see the function name is sort, and in sort you just need to enter the lists. Okay, that's how you can sort the list, but we are gonna make a function for sorting. Now how we are gonna do this? So the simple way to do is your mind. Use your mind and comment me the output. Whole system how to do it, I just told you. So if you know how to do, comment all the code in the comment section area and prove it you are a programmer. And please don't copy code from online, because if you want to learn something you have to try. So that is it for today's guys. I'm gonna make another video about logics and program practical. So see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.